And your name is?
I know.
What's your name? It's gone now.
I don't remember.
Hi there, I hope you enjoyed that little teaser. We're going to do a complete set this week from induction through some fun skits to waking up at the end. You're going to see the complete set and I hope you really enjoy this week. I'm going to talk a little bit about, well, how do you meet these sort of people? Where do you find these sort of people? If you're practicing street hypnosis, if you're learning street hypnosis, where do you start? How do you connect with these people to practice street hypnosis? So we're going to talk about that inside, but if you want to skip all that and go straight to the content of the hypnosis, look in the description section below or check the little timeline below here on the video and you can click on the section that says street hypnosis and just go straight to that. But I hope you do stay for the tutorial, you might find something new inside. See you soon. Hi there, my name is Turan. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist, and every week I show you some street hypnosis or sometimes change work and then discuss various aspects of that. This week I'm not going to do too much talking because I'm going to go straight into the street hypnosis. I just want to sort of give a mention as to how you actually first meet people like this. So a lot of the videos you see on this channel were filmed at an event called Q-Con'. It's a Queen's University event run by a wonderful team. Thanks very much for allowing me down to your event. I've been going to this event since 2014. Obviously, over COVID during 2020, 2021, there was no live event. It was a real shame that we couldn't connect in person, but for very good health and well-being reasons we were staying safe over the last 2 years. So this is the first event. It was held last Saturday and Sunday, 18th and 19th of June 2022, and you're going to see lots of people on my channel once again in beautiful anime costumes and various different costumes, some in Spider-Man costumes or whatever, but they're all having fun and getting dressed up and enjoying themselves, and it's a lovely event. So I always love going to that sort of event because people have great imaginations, and hypnosis is all about using your imagination. So look in your local papers for an event like this here, some sort of costume event, some sort of pageant, some sort of festival, and just go down there. Make sure you talk to the organisers, make sure you get permission to do that and appropriately have insurance or whatever for doing any sort of street performance. So once that's sorted out, how do you sort of connect with people? Well, there's two ways of doing it. You can either stand there quietly with a sign saying free entertainment, stop me and ask me what it's about, or free hypnosis, please just ask, and just stand there quietly. But in these sort of events, if you do that, you'll probably look like you're some sort of part of the event and people will just mingle past you and won't stop you. You might get a few, but you're not going to get a lot. So my recommended way is to just walk up to people and say, hey, we're doing some free entertainment, some free hypnosis. Would you like to be hypnotized? And get the feedback. Now, when you do that, you're going to get some rejections. Not everybody wants to be hypnotized. Some people have freaky ideas or weird ideas about what hypnosis is and go, ooh, spooky, stay away. So be prepared to be pushed back on several times, but there's going to be plenty, like this young lady today, plenty of people that say, yes, let's give it a go. And as soon as you do that, you make sure you get permission to be filmed and then hit the record button. And this is what you'll see coming up next. There was a message in one of the forums, on the Q-Con forum, saying that it was a bit weird that I was walking around asking people would they like to be hypnotized. You're going to get that. You're going to get that sort of kickback, and I'm never offended by that, but just be prepared that some people will not like you walking up and asking them. But hopefully you'll see from the majority of people that were hypnotized, everybody had good fun, everybody enjoyed themselves, and no offense is ever meant or intended when someone is being approached to see if they would like to be hypnotized. And as soon as they say no, I say no problem and I walk away. So that's my advice, is don't just stand there quietly and wait for people to come to you, because you might get one or two throughout a whole day. But if you want to experience, if you want to gain experience, if you're doing hypnosis, you've got to get out there, you've got to interact with people, and it's going to be so much fun once, as you see here today, people have lots of fun being hypnotized. But enough of my chatter, that's me for today. It's a short tutorial. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to give it a like, and don't forget to click the big red subscribe button and that bell notification next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out from myself. There's going to be lots coming out now. I've probably got over a year's worth of content just from last weekend. So keep watching the YouTube channel. And if you have any comments about this video, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. I love reading your comments. I love responding to your comments. So if you have any comments about hypnosis, about this topic I just talked about, anything you'd like to find out more information about this skit, or the set of skits that you're going to see today, please leave it in the description section below, in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you, and you never know, I might make a video around your question. So that's enough for me for today. Thanks for listening and enjoy the street hypnosis.
Hit record. Okay. And have you ever been hypnotised before?
I haven't, no.
You haven't? I love the eyes and everything. The whole works. And what's your name?
Sophia.
Sophia. Look at that hand and look at the glove. Just pick one spot in that glove and just continue to stare at that spot. And notice as I move that hand towards your forehead, how that hand starts to drift towards your forehead all by itself, almost as if there's a little magnet pulling that hand towards your forehead. That's right. And in a moment you can close your eyes down now and just continue to let that hand drift towards your forehead. Your head, your legs and back will support you, and sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxing. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. Drifting and sinking down even deeper still. Legs and back and supporting you all the time as you go down even deeper still. And I'm going to count from 10 down. Whenever I count, I count as the wind blows through your hair and you hear people talking in the background, helping to absorb you into this wonderful state of hypnosis. I'm going to count down, and then you're going to go into hypnosis even deeper. So 10, going deeper now, 9, 10 times deeper still. 8, so deep, so relaxed. 7, even deeper still. 6, 5. By the time I get to number 1, your unconscious will take you to a place that even I couldn't take you to. So deep, so relaxed. Everything I say will become your reality. And 3, way down, even deeper still. 2, 10 times deeper still, and 1, way down. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and on the count of 3 you can open your eyes and you'll be back with us. But every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your eyes will close, your head will drop down to your chest, and you'll go 10 times deeper. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. What was that like?
Weird.
It was weird. And sleep way down. 10 times deeper. 10 times more relaxed. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 this time, when you open your eyes, it's going to feel so weird because your feet will be locked and stuck to the floor. Your feet will be locked and stuck to the floor. You will not be able to move. It's like you're cemented to the floor, like you're glued to the floor. You will not be able to move your feet. And the more you try and move your feet, the more those feet just lock and stick in position. You will not be able to move them. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. What's that like? Try and move your feet. Try and move your feet. Really try. What's that like?
I actually can't.
You can't? Oh my goodness.
Okay, it's actually weird.
And sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 you'll no longer be stuck. But just as quickly as your feet become unstuck, your name sticks to the back of your mind. Your name sticks to the back of your mind. You will not be able to say your name. It's like it's on the tip of your tongue or in the back of your mind, but you will not be able to say it. It's like you've forgot it. You know what it's like when you forget a name. You maybe see someone on the TV and say, I know that girl's name, but that name is gone now. You cannot say her name. That name is gone. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Check your feet. What was that like? And your name is? What's your name? It's gone now.
I know.
Is this your friend?
Yeah.
Even if you hear your name, you can't say it. What's her name? Yeah. What's your name when you try and say it?
I don't know. I don't even know my name.
I tell you what. When you sing your name in rhyme, you can say your name. When you sing your name in rhyme, you can say your name. So what about the birthday song? Sing the birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sophia. Happy birthday to you.
And it's gone. What's your name?
Yeah.
It's gone now. Try and say it.
I don't know my name.
Look at me and sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 this time. When you open your eyes, I'm going to give you a pair of glasses. It's a very special pair of glasses. You need to be careful with these glasses, because when you put these glasses on, everybody you're looking at is totally naked. Only when you look at through these glasses will everybody be totally naked. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. How you feel? What's your name?
Yeah.
Of course it is. How could you forget your name? I'll tell you what. Have you seen these special glasses? Put them on. them off, take them off. There you go.
Yeah, when you're ready, we're getting photos.
Isn't that cool? Try them again. How well do you know this guy? Take a look.
Yeah.
Don't know. Take them off, take them off. There you go, everybody's back. Isn't that cool? There you go. And sleep now, way down, deeper, 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 relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3 on the count of 3. On the count of 3, you can only talk in song. Everything comes out of your mouth. It's just like you're singing. You cannot say something without singing the phrases, the words that come out of your mouth. No, nod your head, you understand. When you put any glasses on, they'll no longer make people look naked. You're back to normal in that respect, but every time you start to talk, you'll just talk like you're singing. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. So you having fun at Q-Con today?
Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun. Oh my god, this is really weird.
And are you studying or you got a job?
I work.
And what do you do for a living?
I'm a retail assistant.
Good stuff.
Oh my god.
Well, we have to go now, so we'll be back here next year again for more fun. So, you had a good time today?
Had a good time. I'm scared.
And are you back at work tomorrow?
No. I'm off tomorrow.
So what's your favourite hobby? What are you going to do at the week or when you're off?
Probably watch anime.
Look at me and sleep now. Way down. Deeper, 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 relaxed. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3. In the count of 3 you'll no longer want to sing in rhyme. But when you open your eyes you're going to look down and you're going to see a beautiful animal, a little beautiful cuddly creature, and you're just going to want to go over there and stroke it, and going to want to go over there and pick it up and give it a hug, and you're going to really fall in love with it. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. So what's that there? Isn't it lovely? What colour is that?
Oh, it's great. Oh my gosh, oh my god.
Pick it up, pick it up. There you go. Wow. Isn't it lovely? Give it a little stroke. There you go. Can you just take that home? Do you think anybody owns it? No, isn't it cool? Did you know these sort of creatures were going to be at Q-Con'?
Have you seen this? It's so cute.
Look at this.
It's really, have you seen it?
Look, isn't it a beautiful little creature?
Yeah.
Give it a stroke. There you go. Isn't it lovely?
Yeah, we're going to try for that.
Aren't you? Yeah.
So cute.
Oh my goodness, it's got diarrhea. Oh, put it down, put it down. Oh my goodness. Oh. There you go. Wipe your hands, and sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. In a minute, we're going to count from 1 to 3, and any little creatures that you might have seen are just disappeared. They're not gone anymore. But when you awake, I'm just going to ask you a question. I'm going to find out what your favourite movie star is. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Having fun?
Yeah.
Who's your favourite movie star? The movie star you've always wanted to meet?
Ryan Reynolds.
Ryan Reynolds? Oh, brilliant star. What's the favourite movie of the what do you call that one he was in there? In that computer game one?
Free Guy.
Free Guy.
Free Guy,
Oh,
yeah.
he was brilliant in that, wasn't he? That's it. Sleep. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3. In the count of 3 you're going to open your eyes. You're going to see a girl dressed in black, but that's not a girl dressed in black, that's Ryan Reynolds. You're going to realise that's Ryan Reynolds, the movie star you've always wanted to meet. You're going to want to ask for his autograph. You're going to want to take a selfie with him. You're going to really tell him how much you love all his movies. You're really going to tell him how much you are his biggest fan, and you didn't realise you were going to be in Q-Con today, and you can feel that excitement building up inside. You're going to be so excited, so almost embarrassed, but fun and excited to be meeting Ryan Reynolds today. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. So, wow. Oh, look who's there.
You can't tell anybody I'm here. I'm incognito. You can't tell anyone I'm here. You can't tell anyone I'm here. Yeah. Okay, but you can't tell anyone I'm here, okay?
Get a selfie, get a selfie.
Oh my god, I love you so much. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm going to start crying.
Don't
Tell him what's your favourite movie?
I love Free Guy.
You like Free Guy?
I fucking love
No one liked Free Guy. You like Free Guy?
I actually fucking loved it. Oh my
That's
God.
rare, dude. That's rare.
Come on, get a selfie, get a selfie.
Come on.
Please, take a photo. Oh my God.
Quickly before Peter Dinklage gets
Here,
here.
It's fucking Ryan Reynolds. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Wow, did you know he was going to be here?
Oh, I didn't know.
Wow, feel that excitement building up.
See Ryan
Dude,
Reynolds.
Getting more excited, more excited.
Oh my God, yes, yes.
She's mine now, by the way.
I'm Ryan Reynolds, yes. Oh my God, I love you so much. Can I get on?
There I said, do you want an autograph?
Yes, please. Can I
Get an autograph. Get on your arm. Get on your arm.
Oh no, I can't. I can't let her cosplay, dude.
No.
Tell you what.
No paper. Oh, you're gonna have to miss out. Here, tell you what. I actually do have. I do have a piece of paper. Just because of the excitement. There you go. There you go. Get an autograph.
Oh my God.
Here,
There you go,
there's
Ryan.
a wall here.
Wow.
Give me 2 seconds.
Wow, what's it like to meet Ryan Reynolds?
Oh my God, it's so
What other movies do you like other than Free Guy? Deadpool?
Oh, I love Deadpool.
Oh, wasn't he great, Deadpool? That's it. Wow. Wow, isn't that wonderful? You got Ryan Reynolds. Wow, autograph. You're going to cherish that forever now. Whoa, isn't that great?
I gotta go, dude. Love to meet you.
Oh my God. It was so nice to see you.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Look at me and sleep now. Way down. Deeper, relax. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. On the count of 5, all hypnotic suggestions will disappear from your mind. But on the count of 5, you're going to feel really good, really fantastic inside. You're going to have a great day at Q-Con'. You're going to have your best day ever. And you're going to have every day after that's going to be better than the day before. You're going to feel really fantastic inside. So 1, feeling that feeling of hypnosis disappear from the tips of your toes. 2, washing up through your knees, through your stomach, through your pelvis. That girl over there is going to be back to that girl that she always was. She's not going to be Ryan Reynolds. And you're going to remember your name, and all those suggestions disappear, except that you're going to feel really fantastic inside. And 3, take a deep breath in. Feel that energy washing through you, into your head like a fresh mountain breeze. 4, 5, stretch and wide awake. How's it going?
Really good. Oh my God.
Do you enjoy that?
That was great.
Do you remember everything that happened?
A bit, bro.
I bet when I click my fingers, everything will come to mind. Oh my God!
I mean, it was accurate, like, you know. Oh my God.
A brilliant subject. Thanks very much.
Thank
Well
you.
done. Big round of applause.
Oh my God, that was great. Thank you so much.
Yeah, cool.